Hello everyone, my name is Tony Correa and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can register on Kinsta. So first of all, what is Kinsta, guys? Kinsta is a hosting solution where you can host your website, yes, especially with managed WordPress hosting, application hosting, and database hosting. So after this, we're going to click on the link that I have put below this video. And after you click in the link below my video, you're moving to sign up. Yes. So after this, we're going to complete this, this information with our email. For example, my email is tonycorrea123@gmail.com. After this, my first name, Tony, last name, Correa. So you guys are going to put your real names here. Your real information, my password, Tony. Yes, Tony. You are going to create your own password, and after this, you are going to agree to the terms of service. Yes, click here, and then you're going to be clicking on continue. Yes, so after this, we're almost ready to register our user in the guise of Kinsta. Country, in my case I live in let me see, United States. Here it is. Click, select state. I live in Florida. Let's see here, city Miami, zip code, yes, address Dormont Street 789. Yes, company, what is my company going to be about? In my case, my company is about cell phones. Yes, okay, so then I'm going to fill this information with my card details here. Remember to take out your card to register your information here with the guys of Kinsta. Yes. 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 This is my, sorry. Okay. This is the card holder. In this case, my name is Tony Correa. Card number, this is, yes, this is just for a purpose of registration. In your case, you guys are going to put your real names and your correct card number. Yes, I am using this number, just a random number, for a purpose of this registering on Kinsta. After this, you're going to click on Finish Up, and then you are going to be registering your your information with the guys of Kinsta. And after this, you are going, guys, to have the best WordPress hosting when it comes to hosting your website with the guys from Kinsta. Yes, I hope you have liked my video. Don't forget that I'm going to be dropping my link down below, guys, for you to get a big discount. When you click on my link, you're going to get $20 off your first month in any plan of that the guys of Kinsta offer. Yeah, for example, let's check the pricing here. For example, if you go with the plans here, for example, you're going to get the starter plan, the pro, and the business. For example, if you go, guys, with a business, you're going to pay $115 per month. Yes, you're going to get 5 WordPress installs, 100,000 visits. Yes, 30 gigabyte disk space, free SSL. The SSL is this padlock here. To guarantee that your users who visit your website are going to be secure. Yes, then you're going to get your CDN and staging. Yes, and free migrations. If you ever, guys, have your website in another company, you can ever migrate your website here for free. Yes, this is the business plan, the most recommended one, where you're going to pay $115 per month, or you are going to move to paid monthly or paid yearly. Yes, if you pay yearly, obviously you're going to get a big discount. In this case, you're going to get $1,550 per year, or you can choose the monthly paying is gonna be costing you $115 per month. Yes, don't forget guys that my link is below the video, and I really appreciate that you were watching my video, and give it a thumbs up if you liked. If you don't, please, I am thankful that you were watching my video. Thank you very much.